In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to screen record using Microsoft PowerPoint. If you've ever needed to capture what's happening on your screen for a tutorial, a demo, or a quick walkthrough, PowerPoint has a built-in recorder that's simple and reliable. Start by opening Microsoft PowerPoint and heading to the recording controls. Depending on your version, you'll either see a record tab along the top ribbon, or you can find screen recording under the Insert tab. Look for the option labeled Record and click it to bring up the recording toolbar. Before you start capturing, take a moment to check your settings. You'll see toggles for audio and record pointer. Turn on audio if you want your microphone narration included. This is great for explaining what viewers are seeing in real time. Turn on record pointer if you want your mouse movements and clicks to be visible on the recording, which helps guide your audience's eyes to the right area. When you're ready, click Record. PowerPoint usually gives you a short countdown and may prompt you to confirm the area you want to capture. If you see a selection outline, just position it over the part of the screen you want to record and proceed. From this point on, anything in that area is being recorded, so try to keep the action within that space and close any pop-ups or notifications that might distract from your demonstration. As you record, you can annotate to highlight important details. If you're working with slides, you can switch between a laser pointer, a pen, and a highlighter to circle, underline, or draw attention to key elements. These tools help viewers follow along and make your recording feel more polished and intentional. If you need to take a break in the middle of recording, click Pause. This is useful if you're waiting for something to load or you need a moment to set up the next part. When you're ready to continue, click Start to resume right where you left off, keeping your recording seamless for your audience. Once you've covered everything you want to show, click Stop. PowerPoint will automatically place the recorded clip onto your current slide. You can play it back to check the audio and visuals and make sure everything looks clear. That's all there is to it. Open PowerPoint and go to the recording controls, click Record. Choose whether to include audio and the pointer, record your screen activity, annotate with the laser, pen, or highlighter if needed, pause and resume as you go, and stop when you're done. With a little planning and a quiet space, you'll get clean, professional screen recordings right inside PowerPoint.